Welcome to SyncWords Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to enable translations for your live event. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Translation tab of your event to view the available languages you can translate to. Please note that SyncWords does not provide live human translation services. All real-time event translations are powered by our advanced AI and proprietary synchronization algorithms. To begin, select the source language. This is the language your presenters will be speaking in during your event. Keep in mind that only one source language can be set per event. To further enhance the accuracy of live translations, you can add a glossary for each language of your event. For more details on how to add glossaries, please refer to the tutorial video on adding glossaries for your event. Turn on any language you want to translate to by enabling the toggle to the right of the chosen language. SyncWords supports several best-of-breed translation engines. You can choose between them by using the drop-down menu next to each language. You can set a different engine per language. Our technicians are also available to help you choose the best option for your specific needs. Once you enable a translation, that language becomes available for delivery to your attendees via one of our standalone caption pages, a QR code, or embedded widget. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. For more videos and written articles on this and many other topics, please visit our help desk.